okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty. Go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag. Okay, shorty, 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 okay, shorty. Go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Shea, and I'm back for another video. So welcome back for those who've been to my channel before, and welcome to my new subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Today I actually am going to moisturize my hair and show my wash and go process. It's actually, my hair was dried out a lot. I tried that edge booster gel. I had a clip-on ponytail, and I had it in for maybe like a week, and my hair was so freaking dry. Like, I've never had the problem that I had after I washed or took this out. So this is the edge booster gel that I used, and it smells so good, and it made my hair really, really hard. The gel is real sticky though, and for whatever reason, when it was time for it to come out, like, I usually just wet my hair and, you know, have the gel loosen up, and then I can comb through it while I'm in the shower. This stuff, hunty, was like cement. Like, I hated it. I hated the whole process of taking it out. I will never use it again. I'm gonna try this stuff that I purchased. I think, where did I get this from? Target. And I've never used it before, but I definitely need something to moisturize because it's like dry and crunchy almost. And so I'm gonna see if this works. I'm just gonna put it in, and I am going to over saturate because, I mean, I don't know how it's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna work, but my hair just feels so nasty right now. I don't know what to expect, but I definitely need a miracle on this hair. I don't know how long I'm supposed to leave this in for. I've already done it on this side. As you can see, I have 2 braids, and it's a lot in here. You can actually, like, it's goopy, and I hope that helps my situation. But again, I'm gonna see how it works out. See, I just don't like how that stuff made my hair feel at all, and it's like, I don't know if you can tell that it's like more tangled than it needs to be, but I'm trying to do everything like right in the camera so you can see the entire process. And again, I am going to oversaturate, and I'm leaving this shit in for about a few hours because I need a miracle. So, I mean, I don't really love how it smells, but I'll be washing it out anyway. So this is a pre-shampoo process that I'm doing right now, and hopefully it will give me some type of results. Yeah, I'm going overboard. I'm ODing on this stuff. It smells like cocoa butter. I don't know if y'all can hear my TV. It's kind of loud, but hopefully you can still hear me over it. I don't want to touch my remote right now with stuff on my hands. Yeah, my hair is still like, that stuff was so hard to get out, and so I'm just gonna wash my hair again. I know people be keeping ponytails in for like a couple of weeks, and I don't know how they do that. I don't know what kind of products they use, but it didn't work like that for me. Like, I would never do that again. Maybe I need to start going to like salons for stuff like that. My hair is just so dry. So I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did to my other side. I'm gonna try to get the stuff on as much of the hair as I can, and then I'm gonna put it in 3 braids. Amanda Seals is the entertainment that you hear in the background. Okay.
I wasn't with none of that give shit. I'm like, nope. Let the man still show up as her.
All right. I hope you can see what I'm doing, and you see how much product I have on here. I don't care, and I hope it does what it got to do. It's supposed to strengthen and moisturize, and moisture is very needed at this point. I need it. My hair needs it. Hopefully my hair will thank me later. So I can't turn the TV down again, so I'm so sorry if it's like blasting. Okay. So you see the process. Okay. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through. Okay, y'all, so this is what or how much product I have in my hair right now. I did my thing to this jar, okay? Like, this is a 12-ounce jar, and I definitely used almost half. So I OD'd. Again, that was done on purpose because your girl had crunchy hair, and that's not what's up. So when I come back, it will be after I wash this out, and we'll see if the hair is more moisturized than usual, or whether or not this is a product that I'll be using again. So maybe I should just do this as a review. So this is a review on Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. Again, leaving it in for a couple hours, and I will be back with an update. Okay, y'all, I just thought I'd pop in and give a quick update. I rinsed out the Shea Moisture Treatment Mask, and my hair seems a lot more moisturized than it was when I started out. So this product seems to be a plus so far. It's manageable. I haven't combed through it yet, but as you can see, I can finger through it without a problem. So it's going to be very helpful with detangling. Yeah, looking good so far. I will be back when I blow dry and straighten it out. Okay, y'all, this is my final step for today. I'm only going to blow it out. The weather's bad, so I'm not going to straighten my hair because it'll just be a waste of time. But yeah, I like the product. I give it a thumbs up. I will insert a clip of how I have movement in the back, and it's lightweight. My hair is fluffy, no heavy residue or anything like that. So I will absolutely be using this product again. And hopefully if you want to see more from me, you'll subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, ring that post notification bell, and I will see you guys again soon.